Gotta love the infamous Samsung refrigerator icing up. It is clogged with ice again, and I am trying to get this back panel off, and it's frozen. I'm giving it a little help. I'm just using a regular hairdryer, not my heat gun, because this plastic is very sensitive to heat. So there is styrofoam with the channels on the other side of this plastic thing, and it's glued to it. But the other side of the styrofoam is frozen to the evaporator coil, so it's going to take some time to get this off. Finally got the sumbitch popped off there, and that is where that heating coil's got to be installed. There is one here. It's just a heating element, so, and it's got to splice into this existing one. It's going to wrap around here, and yeah. Well, that's thawing out. I'm going to put the new fan in. So just compare the two, make sure that the wires are all the same. This is supposed to be an upgraded fan, because I guess these don't spin fast enough, but I don't know. It's got the same numbers and everything, so hopefully this one's just better than this one. It says upgraded. Hopefully it was upgraded after this fridge was manufactured, so we'll see. Okay, got the new fan in. I'm just testing out. Right now it's not running because the door's not shut, but I have a little trick, make it think that the door's shut. So I just put that magnet right there, right here, and there it goes. And I have to plug the temperature sensor in too, because it don't do shit if that's not plugged in. Now I gotta thaw this shit out and put in the heating coil, because yeah, works great when it's down there, but if there's nothing up there, that's what happens. What were you thinking, Samsung? Alright, it doesn't look pretty, but I pretty much soldered it on. I'm limited what I can do because I really don't want to disassemble these plugs to try to do it a better way, but hey, this is only what, 10 watts, while the main one is like 100 watts, so I don't think it's going to hurt anything, but I do need to get some electric tape or something around them to insulate them. Alright, got those taped up. Hopefully they're fine. Won't have any issues with moisture. I shouldn't now that I'm going to have this all hooked up. So it's got to be attached to this thing. This is the thing that's icing up. So we got to attach it and possibly wrap it around a little bit. And can never have too many zip ties. So to make sure everything's as tight as it can be against the evaporator coil, so it can conduct heat to it and heat up this whole line here that's been freezing up. And then I got the wire secure here, so I think we're ready to put this thing back together. Okay, it appears to be working now. These are cold, which is a good thing. And when it goes through the defrost cycle, that should heat up and keep that from icing up again. And that is basically how you fix a Samsung fridge.